Did you know the Chinese used AI to erase a gay character from a Hollywood movie without telling anyone? Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Ritesh Agde and today we're going to see how AI is being used for censorship, altering films and stories in ways most of us don't even realize, especially targeting LGBTQ plus representations. Let's start with the issue that brought this to spotlight. The thriller film Together, starring Dave Franco and Alison Brie, featured the same-sex couple in one of its key scenes. When the movie was released in China, something shocking happened. Using AI, they replaced one of the men's face with that of a woman, turning the gay couple into a heterosexual pair. Most viewers didn't even notice the change during screenings, only to realize later after social media comparisons showed the difference. This move sparked condemnation online and called this as disrespectful to both the original work and the LGBTQ plus community. Viewers expressed frustration that the distributors wanted money but withheld the original version of the film. The AI alteration essentially erased the queer representation of the movie, a new frontier for censorship using advanced technology. This isn't China's first time censoring queer content. Previous examples include removing references to Freddie Mercury's sexuality in Bohemian Rhapsody and editing gay dialogue from other movies for local releases. Still, using AI to rewrite characters digitally opens for a new controversial chapter that can happen quietly without public knowledge until someone notices. So, why does this matter? Erasing LGBTQ plus stories and characters using AI digs deeper into the cultural representation and visibility. It limits what audiences see and continues marginalizing these communities, stifling important conversations about diversity and acceptance. But this isn't only about the LGBTQ plus community. AI-based censorship is also targeting a lot of minorities and sensitive topics worldwide. Take for instance, in many countries, political activists notice that their posts get removed or accounts blocked without proper explanation, silencing dissent. Religious minorities also face a similar treatment, with content moderators or AI algorithms flagging or deleting their sacred texts or community posts. And even historical narratives are rewritten or censored to fit nationalistic agendas, limiting society's ability to learn from the past. And in India, we have seen films forced to cut references to politics or caste. OTT shows face lawsuits for depicting interfaith couples, and entire books or articles quietly disappear online because they hurt sentiments. Digital moderation has even silenced Dalit voices speaking about discrimination, and women reporting harassment have found their posts flagged while abusive content remained untouched. This issue goes beyond touching just one community. It's about a fundamental human right, the freedom to live and express oneself without having that reality questioned or erased by unseen algorithm. In India, our constitution protects us via Article 21, the right to life and personal liberty. And in today's world, that right extends to our digital life too. When AI erases stories, identities, or truths, it isn't just censorship. It's a direct attack on our dignity, our freedom, and the right to live fully as who we are. Thankfully, there is hope. Awareness is rising amongst creators, activists, and technologists who are developing tools to detect AI censorship and promote transparency. Governments and platforms face increasing pressure to balance control with freedom, ensuring that technology empowers rather than suppresses. The most powerful defense is each of us, questioning what we see, sharing responsibly, and standing up for the right to be seen and heard. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and I will see you in the next one.